Hey guys, welcome to East Indian channel. Today we want to share with you our experience of making some stuffed Indian flatbread. This is a great Indian breakfast. You can also have it for lunch or take it on the road with you. Here I have grated daikon radish flavored with different spices, and we are using plain dough flavored with fenugreek leaves. We flatten it, we fill it up, and then we cook it on a skillet. So it's quite a process, but the end result is absolutely amazing. So the dough, whole wheat flour mixed with dried fenugreek leaves. You cook it on a skillet until both sides are nice and brown. If you've never had a muli parantha, it's worth trying. It's quite tricky to make for sure. The flattening process requires a little bit of a technique. The cooking part is easy. You just cook it until both sides are brown, and you can add butter on top. You can use desi ghee, you can use regular oil. When we are flattening it out, we use some flour so that nothing sticks to our shelf, or if you're using a board, nothing on the board. And this dough is basically regular flour dough, just flavored with methi, and that's our filling. We are also going to make some aloo paranthas, so you might notice some potatoes lying on the side as well. Here mom is adding another parantha on the skillet, and my mouth is watering. We are going to definitely have a feast here. And we are flattening out a round dough ball, golf size. Flatten it out. Once it's nice and flat, then you will fill it, and you'll see how it's done. Requires skill, but it's just a matter of practice. So here we are filling it with our flavored radish, but like cauliflower, gobi works great, potatoes work great. You can also try it with carrots. The things that have a little bit more water, like daikon radish and carrot, you might need to squeeze the water out. All right, we've put it in. Now we are rolling it in flour, and we'll flatten it out. Once it's flat, we just cook it on the skillet. Now, mums usually make the process seem very simple, but everyone who has tried it knows that it's a process until you become skillful. All right, just adding oil on top. And once the paranthas are done, you can enjoy it with chutney, mint chutney, mango chutney. You can enjoy it with yogurt, with raita. Pack it in your lunch with some pickles. Really easy to eat like a finger food almost. All right, beautiful brown color on the parantha. Here we can see it's getting cooked. Both sides are brown. Amazingness right there. Aloo parantha is going to happen after the muli paranthas are done. You can make a big batch, they freeze really well. Great for the road trips. Or make it big batch on the weekend and enjoy it for snacks or breakfast during the week. All right, this is looking done. The other side requires a little bit more time. So once it starts to cook, you add a little bit of oil. It's a fried flatbread. Unleavened though, because we don't add yeast. So here mom is flattening out another round. We are going to have potato filling in it. You can have potato filling with some onions, with some ginger and different Indian spices. You can keep it simple, or you can make it really spicy by adding some green chilies, some red chili powder as well. So potato paranthas are usually the easiest out of all paranthas. So Indian bread at its finest, everyday Indian food sort of. It's filling, it's comforting, and it's all about mom's love, right? All right, look at this. And aloo parantha is looking good too. Once the paranthas are ready, family is ready to dig in. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy them. You keep watching Eat East Indian, and we'll share with you how to make more tasty dishes.